So I finally got to try this sugaring wax kit that I got from NEWD Gyal Organic, and all yeah, shave nothing. Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly, aka Nelly B, and listen, let me talk about this Bare Essentials sugaring wax kit that I got from NEWD Gyal Organic. Now, first off, I am not the hairiest of people, so your girl had to wait a while for like the hair on my legs and under my arms to grow out to a length that would allow me to use the kit. So this review took some time. So you know your girl was excited when I looked at my legs and I was like, all right, I think we reach a level where the hair is long enough, time to use this thing. So about the kit. So the wax kit basically is meant to give you salon hair removal results at home. You don't need a waxing pot. The strips that you get and the applicator are reusable. The wax is water soluble, and you could pretty much use it anywhere that you would want your hair removed, like under your arms, your legs, maybe like chest hair on the dudes, your bikini area. Now I want to say real quick that their products do retail both in Trinidad and Tobago. However, this Bare Essentials kit is only available via their website. So let me show you really quick what is in the Bare Essentials kit. Cue the Instagram reel. In this kit, you get their talc-free pre-sugaring drying powder, their post-sugaring soothing essence, a tweezer, which comes as a free gift, and 12 reusable wax strips. You also get a reusable applicator, and last but not least, the strip sugaring wax itself. So that is what you get in the Bare Essentials kit. So of course you're probably wondering, Chanel, Nelly, you're gonna show us how you used it? Of course I'm gonna show you how I use it. Cue the clip! I just want to say really quick that I don't have the nicest looking legs. I have a bunch of scars on my knees. You've been warned. Just a heads up. Okay, carry on. Okay, so I used the drying powder to make sure that my skin was dry of any moisture. I think I may have gone a little heavy-handed with it. From there, I went in with the applicator and the actual wax. You can warm it in the microwave for like 5 to 10 seconds. I did that, and to apply it, it's very interesting to apply. I'm not sure if I did it properly, but it seemed to have worked. So that worked out for me pretty much. From there, I went on with the strip. You have to apply the strip. They didn't give a specific direction, but I just put it on and then I just kind of rubbed it in to make sure it was good. And then it was time to yank it off, and I kind of stopped and I was like, yo, look at this though. This is like, I was shook. It didn't really hurt. Like, I was surprised. So I just went on to do the rest of my leg, and the experience was actually pretty cool. Like, you get used to it as you do it over and over and over, and it got easier for me to just apply it and rip it off and yeah, remove the hair. Simple as that. When I was done, I went in with their soothing essence, which is to help reduce inflammation and redness, and after that, your girl was done. I was a happy camper. So what are my overall thoughts about this kit? Listen, this kit is it. This kit is a vibe. Shave nothing. I am pleasantly surprised, like I'm beyond pleasantly surprised at how well this kit works. I'll be very honest with you, I've never waxed my legs before. I think the only places I've ever waxed, my brows. Yeah, I've only ever waxed my brows, and I waxed my legs with this. I waxed my underarms with this. I might probably try my bikini area at some point in time in the near future. You get a lot of uses out of that one container of wax for sure. I love the fact that these strips are reusable. Listen, all I did when I was done was I put these strips in a bowl with a little bit of warm water, and the sugar just melts, and then I give it a really light hand wash and I put them to dry, and then you can reuse them. It's that easy. I have to make mention that for someone like me who's never like waxed anything for myself, they have a scannable code that you scan with your phone, and it opens up to all of their links, and then from there you can go to their guide. They have a guide that gives you a full breakdown, and when I say a full breakdown, I absolutely love how they lay it out. They give you the instructions as to how to use every, like, step by step. 1, do this. 2, do that. 3, do this. 4, do that. Then they also have do's and don'ts. Pay attention to everything that they put in that guide, because once you follow that, your experience is gonna be smooth sailing. So the cost of this Bare Essentials kit is $185, and then there's nationwide delivery for $35. But wait, Olio, come on, there is more. Yes, I have a code. You can use the code Nelly10 to get 10% off of the Bare Essentials kit when you order it on their website. You ever had a moment where you tried something and you're like, wow? Yeah, this is a wow for me. Like, this is a game changer when it comes to hair removal on my body, because I don't do that very often. So now that I know that there's something that removes the hairs fully, which means it's going to take longer to grow back, yeah, this is definitely worth it and then some. And the fact that it is so easy to use, along with the fact that they are covering all of their bases to ensure that you have a good experience with the product, 10 out of 10. Like, take win, NEWD Gyal, take win. This is Nelly B approved. Now, I did ask this on my Instagram, but I'm asking it here. Is this something that you would try? Are you into hair removal much? What is your preference? Do you shave? Do you wax? Do you use hair removal creams? Is this something that you would try? Let me know. And if you do decide to order it, like I said, I have a code. It's in the description. Make sure you get your discount if you're ordering it. And that is it for today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.